He wants to get through the gate.
That chicken's mean. He's pushy. Which is way worse than choosy. See how brave they are. Get your snack. Get your snack. You want to give him some bread? Come here. Give him some bread. Throw it over. Throw it up there.
He's going to eat it. It's like, I'll have some of that. Thank you.
It's a chicken snack.
He's like, you got any fruit in there?
You want to feed the chicken? Give it to the chicken. Give it to the chicken. Feed the chicken. Good. Yes. The chicken go. Leave it to the chicken.
He's like, I don't really know when my next meal is going to be, so just going to go ahead and have it now.
It's manna.
Chickens are hungry.
Gotta get the chickens nice and fat so
Well,
when we slaughter them.
Here comes some more chickens.
Oh,
Some competition. The competition is on its way.
the chickens are basically stupid. Nice manners. Uh-oh. Please. Look at those chickens, Brayden. What does the chicken say?
Please? The chickens say, please.
You're much more important than the chickens. Much more. Do you the birds? Let's get some to the chickens. This is an old hamburger bun. Did your mommy ever feed you? Poor baby.
It's actually what Mommy fed him, the old hamburger bun.
You want that? Do I get a kiss? Do I get a kiss?
Give Grandma kisses.
You want this? I can't bribe you for a kiss. I'm going to steal it. Oh no. Wait.
Oh, yes.
A little bit of
Oh, yes, Grandma. We're going to put the whole hamburger bun, both sides, in our mouth.
Let me see your food.
Those chickens lost out.
Are these pretty chickens? They're gorgeous. Chickens go.
My favorite are those mahogany ones.
The ones down there?
Yeah, the red, brown ones. Those are pretty.
I'm impressed. How many chickens down here? This is so cool.
Yeah, these are pretty. I don't think I've ever seen a pretty chicken. Probably because they're living in cages.
They haven't come into our yard yet. I bet they'll fly over